In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your vision board and actually achieve your goals in 2026. The first thing you need to put into place is to make sure that your goals are written out, like you make it plain. Once you have your goals written out, let me show you how you can make your vision board. You want to come to this website called Pinterest. Now, I know a lot of you use Pinterest for inspiration. You use Pinterest to check for hairstyle, nail style, clothes style, whatever you use Pinterest for. Yes, we're going to use that same Pinterest for this tutorial. So you want to come to Pinterest. If you don't have an account, all you need to do is just to sign up, okay? It's free. You want to come to the search bar. Let's say the first thing you want to focus on for 2026 is your business. So you want to type in business here. Now, for me, I usually add aesthetics, so it gives me different sophisticated designs for what I want to use it for. Right here, we have different photos that we can use for our vision board. What we're doing now is basically sorting out pictures, sorting out images that you can use for our vision board. So this is the next phase after you've written out your goals. Now, don't be scared to dream big whilst you're writing out your goals. Don't be scared to dream big, okay? God can afford it. So I'm going to come here. You want to click on the image. You click on the image to download it. You click on these three dots here and you click on download image. Fitness. So let's use this one. Okay, I'm going to choose the same process, download travel. So basically you want to sort out images. Okay, I'm going to use this one with this person here. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with her. Okay, so I can use this for solo travel. Want to travel with your girls? You can use this one image as well. I want to hit 100 subscribers. Hi neighbor, I checked my YouTube analytics and discovered that most of you watching my videos are not subscribed yet. You probably forgot, I understand. Do take a second to confirm if you're subscribed to the channel, and if you're not, kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any content on the channel. This keeps me motivated to create amazing videos like this one you're watching and any other videos you're going to watch on the channel. I'm so grateful for you. Thank you for supporting my journey. Like this video so it can reach a wider audience. Now let's get back to the video. I want to hit 100 subscribers in 2026. I'm putting this out there. So if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, kindly confirm. This vision board will not be complete if I don't add money to it. Some dollars, even though it's for the tutorial, I will still add. Download this. Now, I was speaking in church the other day and I said that you can create your vision board for the life you want in the next 3 years, in the next 5 years. You can create your vision board quarterly. You can create your vision board for a year, what you want to achieve for that year. There are no rules to this, to be very honest. All right. And you can create your vision board in June. I am making this video now in December because I want you to create your vision board this December that you're going to for 2026. But you can create your vision board in June. You can create your vision board in July. I started using vision board in 2024 and I created my very first vision board in the month of August 2024. And inside that vision board, I had like 7 things and I achieved 5. I'm saying this to say that you can create a vision board anytime. If you're going to watch this video, if you're going to see this video in June 2026, create your vision board as you're watching this video. Okay, so now we have all our image sorted out. The next website we want to visit, totally free as well, is Canva. Canva is free. If you don't have an account, sign up, it's free. So once you are here on Canva, you want to click on create. I'm going to show you how to do this in 2 ways. First, I'm going to show you how to do it from scratch. And to do that, you want to click on custom size right here. For the width, we're going for 1080. For the height, we're going for 920. Leaving this in pixels, so click on create design. It's going to take us to a different page. Why am I using this dimension? It's going to be very relevant in the next step. So once we have our dimension right here, the next thing we want to do is to upload our images to Canva. All the images that we've downloaded on Pinterest, we want to upload them to Canva. If you've been trying to become a
virtual assistant or you've been trying to make money online, but you don't know where to start from, you need to check out VASP, VASP, VAS, the P is silent, a VA simulation program. VAS is where I literally train you the way clients expect in the real world. You're not just watching lessons, you're not writing notes, you are doing the actual task that clients give to their virtual assistant in the real world. CRM management, social media management, content support, automations, admin, ghostwriting, lead generation, email marketing, you name it. In this program, you learn specialized digital skills that you can just choose one and specialize on it. I mean high-paying skills that high-valued clients are paying for. So if you want the skills, the confidence, and the kind of portfolio that gets you hired globally, VAS is where you get that. The link to sign up for the next wave is in the description and the pinned comment.
All we need to do now is just to drag our images and drop. Is to drag and drop our images. You can design this anyhow you want to design it. Okay, basically copy, paste, copy, paste. So I said I was going to do something with her image. I'm going to come here, and this is the picture I want to use. I'm using Canva Pro, so I'm going to click on review, remove background. I want to replace her head with my own. So I'm just going to use this image, right? I'm going to use this particular picture to do it. Okay, this can be better, but I don't want this tutorial to be too long, so I just go. So once we are done arranging everything into the canvas, the next thing we want to do is to come here and add a text box. You can do this yearly, you can do this in quarter, you can do this in 5 years, what you want your life to look like in 5 years. You can have literally different vision boards. Now to download your vision board, all you need to do is to come right here where it says share. You click on download. You want to download it as PNG. You download it to your device. Now to the next step. The next step is you want to put your vision board where you can see it. You need to see your vision board every single day. That is why I chose this dimension, so that you are able to save it in your mobile phone. You can use it as your home screen, you can use it as your lock screen. Okay, another way you can do this, print this out and place it inside your wardrobe or any private place in your house. But the private place should not be private to you. It should be a place that you visit every single day, so you get to see your vision board every single day. The next thing I want to share with you is that you have to take actionable step toward your goal. You have to take, intentions don't matter, actions do. You can design this vision board. If you don't take daily steps, weekly steps, monthly actions toward this goal, nothing is going to change. If I want to hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube and I don't post every single month, or I post once a month, I will not achieve this goal. Okay, so you need to take actionable steps every single day. If I want to achieve this dream body I have on here and I don't go to the gym, it's not contagious. James Clear in his book Atomic Habits says you don't rise to the level of your goal, you fall to the level of your system. I said I was going to show you 2 ways on how to create a vision board. This is the first way, we're creating it from scratch. The next way is for you to come on Canva again. You come to your home screen, search for vision board. You have different templates that you can use to create your own vision board. So this is another way you can create your vision board. Okay, you can choose the dimension you want here. This is the dimension we created. You can choose this one if this is what you're into.
Watch this video next on how to set your 2026 goals and systems. Bye neighbor, I'll see you there.